along
Coastal
Sarangani Bay.
Highway.
It's coastal highway.
It's a protected seascape.
It's good that we're trailing a vehicle which is traveling according to our requirements. Sunod lang tayo, no? So this is the technique sa mga drivers for long distance driving. You know, find pair or partner sa sasakyan. Tama-tama lang itong Navara, yung speed niya. We'll be reaching Tiamba siguro mga 11:30 schedule. Kasi kanina
11:38.
ha?
11:38.
38 pa rin.